Welcome to the Employer Education Series eSERS tutorial, Signing Up for ACH Debit. In this tutorial, we will cover how to activate bank accounts for ACH Debit. ACH Debit is the preferred method to remit payments. It's an electronic funds transfer that is initiated in the payment remittance application in eSERS. One of the main benefits of ACH Debit through eSERS is that you will be submitting your payment remittance and payment in one step. To enter new bank account information for ACH Debits, click on Bank Account Maintenance. Before we create a new bank account, let's go over a few items on this screen. The Payment History panel will list most recent ACH Debit transactions. The Advanced Search button will direct you to a lookup screen with the search criteria to find specific transactions. Please know that if you are an employer or the contractor, your bank account information is secure. When a contractor logs into eSERS, they will not be able to see the employer bank account information and vice versa. To enter in a new bank account, click on New Bank. Once you click on New Bank, eSERS will direct you to the record maintenance screen where you will enter in the following information. The first item of information is bank nickname. This is important to enter in a bank nickname that will trigger your memory on what account you are paying from. This is helpful for school districts that pay one payment remittance with multiple bank accounts. Enter in your routing number, your account number, the account type. From the dropdown, you have two choices, checking or savings. The effective date will automatically populate for today's date. Enter in your EFT draw limit. This is the average that you send to SCRS. You're able to adjust this amount as many times needed. Refund account. This is only available for school districts. If you would like this bank account to be able to receive electronic refunds, you will check mark this box. Only one account can be able to receive electronic refunds. Check mark I have read and agreed to the ACH Debit terms and conditions once you have read all of the ACH Debit terms and conditions. From there, click Save. Once you click Save, this screen becomes read-only. The only items that you can change in this screen are the bank nickname, the EFT draw limit, and end date. If you were to end date this account, we ask that you make sure that all payments have processed and then enter in your end date. This end date will be used if you are no longer using this checking account. Once you've clicked Save, click on Bank Account Maintenance in the navigation path. This will take you back to the Bank Account Maintenance home screen, where it will show your new account as ACH activated. For any questions on bank account maintenance and ACH Debit payments, please contact Employer Services. Thank you for watching.